Hi there, welcome to another new session in Deepak's kitchen. Actually what happened is I came home early today, so I'm actually very hungry. So look into the fridge, I just had some leftover rice and some pickle. So using only these two ingredients, I'm going to make a new recipe called as a pickle rice. Or in Telugu they call it as a Urad Anam. It's very beautiful in taste. So for that I'm giving my own twist to it, and it's going to be a beautiful rice to eat. So it's going to be very quick and yummy. So let's see how this beautiful pickle rice or the Uppinakayi chitranna is done. Now to make this beautiful pickle rice or the Uppinakayi chitranna, I have heated a pan, and in this I am going to add just a tablespoon of oil. The oil is nicely hot. In this I am going to add some mustard seeds, allow it to crackle, and now look, the mustard is crackling. In this I will add a 1.5 tablespoon of peanuts and a half a teaspoon of gram dal and a half a teaspoon of urad dal and a quarter teaspoon of jeera. And you need to saute this until it becomes nice and crispy. Make sure it doesn't burn. And now look, it's been done. Add some curry leaves and few pinches of hing. Give this a nice mix and cut off the flame. And now the tampering is ready. Let's keep this aside. Here you go, I taken a mixing bowl. In this I am going to add some cooked rice, or you can use the leftover rice also. Look how beautiful it is. To this we need to add nearly 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. This is the most important ingredient in this recipe. Don't hold back in adding some ghee. I am adding pure Desi ghee and some chopped coriander leaves. And the star of the show, this is a homemade mango pickle. I am taking the mango pickle 1 tablespoon. You can add according to your taste. And in this we'll add the tampering which we have made. And you need to mix this very good and nice. Especially the ghee will give it a nice flavor to this recipe. If you want more spicy, you can always add some more pickle masala to this. And here you go, the beautiful pickle rice or Uragayi Annam in Telugu or the Uppinakayi chitranna in Kannada is beautifully done. And now you can taste it. Here you go, this is a beautiful and quick recipe of doing this, and actually I have used the leftover rice and it tastes much better. So keep in mind that if you want more spice level, you need to add more of that pickle masala to the rice. Most important ingredient in this is the Desi ghee. Add it as much as you want, and that increases the taste so much, and it gives a beautiful taste to it. Thus you have a great rice or a great bar to eat. I hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe. It will motivate me immensely to do more such yummy recipes. So we'll be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, this is your host and host Deepak signing off, and Jai Hind, Namaste.